Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can unsend a invite message on Instagram, so let's get right into it. Now, if I go into my chats, as you can see, I'm on the Instagram app right now, and if I go to this message, as you can see, this is an invite message. It's been sent, but I can only delete this for me. Now, this is only the problem on the app. However, if I go to the website, which I'm already logged in, you just need to go to your browser on your phone through Chrome or whatever it is, then just log into Instagram online. Then if I go into messages here at the bottom and I go to that same message, if I click on that message and then tap the three dots right next to it, as you can see, I have the unsend option. If I click it, it'll ask me to confirm. This prompt will pop up and ask me to confirm if I want to unsend it, and if I just click unsend, as you can see, the message will be unsent. And let me just wait until this loads back up. As you can see, when this actually loads up, the invite sent message will be gone and that message will no longer exist. Let me just reload it. It might go faster, and as you can see, the invite has been sent, however that message is gone, and that is pretty much all you can do at this point. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.